Okay, so I figured I'd just start recording. I'm not sure why the video came out super slow. I recorded it on my phone, sent it to my Dropbox, put it on into OBS. But this is the Corvette. The rims do look a lot better in person. I think it just needs a wash. Maybe the buff. But yeah, the 5.7 liter LT1 Corvette V8. This is what I'm picking up. This is a C5 wheels. I made this video right after I took it out for a drive. The first real drive I did with it. The first time I got to see the car, I didn't really get a chance to drive super crazy. The owner didn't have plates on it. I ended up borrowing some dealer plates from his job to put it on the road and see what it could do. And even around 30 miles an hour, this car sounds amazing. It's super low to the ground. I'm not the biggest guy in the world, and I feel like I fit right in. The doors, the little hinge there, the actual door opening latch. I'm just spacing out right now. It's super old school, super old school, but I just love how clean everything is. You can see, I'm just letting it all in. The video did have audio, and I'm not sure if it's gonna show up in the video and totally kill this thing, but we'll see. There goes the plate up there. I guess he forgot to actually take it with him. But yeah, the inside's all original except for the head unit there for the stereo, which works. Sounds great. What else could we see here? Yeah, the passenger side, it's a little dusty, but that's fine. You know, it's not something that's driven daily. Not till I get it, but you know, we'll see what I do with it. What else do we have here? The digital dash. It's not all digital, but the part where where am I going? Where am I going? The LCD screen right up above the steering wheel actually does show like kind of like on newer Hondas or newer cars in general. It shows the digital miles per hour and the fuel gauge. Yeah, it kind of I'm not sure if you can see right there. It looks like I have like a hairline crack. I think it's literally a hair somewhere. I didn't bother cleaning it off, but right here I try to kind of shake the camera left and right. And 1 second. Hold up. Pretty sure I did. Yeah, see, so I should kind of try to see, like, show you guys that it's not a crack. It's like a hair somewhere up there. See, it's like a piece of string or something. You see the security light over here, over there. Yeah, I guess it does have an alarm, which is great. I heard the anti-theft system on these cars does go out, and it has cause problems. But I'll solve that bridge when I get to it. I'm really just trying to grab this car as soon as possible. But yeah, I mean, even that's clean. I'm not sure when it's actually gonna roll around, but the hatch, we couldn't actually open it today. Not sure why. We're trying to figure it out. And if he can't figure it out, I'm gonna do my own research and try to make it happen. It is blacked out. It has a super dark tint. Not sure how legal it is here in Chicago, but it does protect my belongings that are going to be in what will essentially be my trunk. There's also a sort of plastic, not sure if it's plastic or some kind of other material. It's like basically like a shower curtain. You bring over your trunk space right under the hatch window, and yeah, it doesn't allow for people to peek into your car and see what you have in there. And there you go. Appreciate some respect on the name. But yeah, even the steering wheel, it's not all blotchy and whited out. It's black on black the way it's meant to be. Little black ice up there. Let's see what else we have here. What else do we have? Yeah, the carpeting's clean. Definitely gonna get some like nice mats down there. noticed that crack up there on the door handle. It might just pop back in, which is fine by me. The seats were reupholstered with 40th anniversary seats. You can see kind of the badge up there, not really. Yeah, it's a blacked out hatch. It looks great. Again, I don't know how legal it is, but with the sound this car makes, it might bring some attention. I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. And I think I have a visitor coming up. Gonna try to ignore that. Yeah, it's pretty much the first view I'm giving you guys of a car. Who is it?
It was me.
Yeah. Okay. Well. Oh. Yeah. Well, that's staying in the video now. So. Yeah, it's my sister. Bowling out. She. Yeah.
Hi.
I was just. This is the first video I took of the Corvette. I don't know why it came out in slow motion. But it's like the same color as Dad's car.
Yeah, I was about to say
exactly
like, wow,
the same.
Show when I was still a fucking.
I mean, I don't think I don't think you were born yet. Supposedly I was 2 months old, but
I wasn't even a produced piece of semen
look at
yet.
this. The back end, clean,
Oof.
and it's loud as balls.
Wow, this is my first YouTube feature.
Literally, like. I was driving I think I mentioned it earlier. I was driving the car for like, I went up and down a little bit. Well, I just changed the color for a second.
Yeah.
But even at 30 miles an hour, this thing whips. Like, it feels great. It sounds amazing. It's like super low. I was literally riding like this the whole time. I can kind of like not really see over the dash, but I could see like the curves of the front of the hood, which were just, it was wow. It was wow. But
I came down for beverages.
oh. But yeah, YouTube, that's pretty much it. Oh look, I turned back to my normal colors. That's pretty much it for now. 5.7 liter V8. Man, the sound of these. My brother doesn't really appreciate the sounds of these. Doesn't really care for V8s, V6s, four valve VTECs. He doesn't really care. But when I bring it around, it's gonna be an experience. Yeah, this car is actually gonna need the weather strips right here, the rubber. It's definitely gonna need those, which I hear about $100 from Chevy. So I might just do that, just to keep it. I don't know, just that peace of mind for me. You know, I really don't want it to leak. I also realized I did a little research and I learned recently that I can actually put the top, T-top, take it off, put it under the hatch, and then bring the kind of a plastic cover thing I was talking about, bring it over, and it just sort of disappears. But that's pretty much on my trunk space. So we're gonna see what happens. But see you guys soon. I might not go check out the car again anytime soon, but I might not. By the end of October, this car is mine. I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing. And if anybody wants to ride, you guys live in Chicago, you guys want to see what it's about, you guys want to bake, you guys want to roast, go ahead. I'm right here. Hit me up, we'll go for a ride. Till then, peace out. You guys have a good one. Oh shit, So one last quick thing I forgot to mention, I switched to the other monitor. The pop-up headlights actually need the internal gears replaced so that the pop headlights actually come up. Did something a little dangerous and tried driving around a little bit with just the fog lights and the kind of backup lights, which, you know, it did the job right, but to do it more correctly, I definitely want to buy the gears and replace them myself. This YouTube channel called Chris Fix, an older YouTube channel. Guy's probably around my age, maybe a little older now. He was a kid when he was getting real popular, I think. But I definitely want to fix those gears with that video. Maybe I'll do a walkthrough. I'll be following his directions. And one more thing. That's it. All right. See you guys.